Hello friends, I am Professor Rajiv Shirsat, Art Science and Commerce College Indapur, Junior Section, Department of English. Today's lecture designed for class 12th subject English. If you have any doubt, if you have any question regarding this PPT presentation, you can WhatsApp me or you can directly call me on 9890415284. Dear students, today we are going to see Unit 1.1 An Astrologer's Day from Section 1, Unit 1.1. I have created this lecture or this story in video lecture format in 3 parts. We are going to see the first it's about author's introduction of the title, characterization and some of the other part. Let's see R.K. Narayan's story, An Astrologer's Day. We have to first glance at the author's introduction. He is an Indian English novelist. He born in 1906 and died in 2001. Here is the list of his books. The books are Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, which is written in 1937, The Dark Room, which is written in 1938, An Astrologer's Day, which is written in 1947. In 1959, he wrote Mr. Sampath, The Financial Expert in 1954, The Waiting for the Mahatma, which is written in 1955. The Guide won Sahitya Academy Award in 1961 and The Guide won written in 1958. Every author has his special qualities. Also, R.K. Narayan has his own qualities of writing. He used human and unoffending irony in his writing. The unique Indianness and a simplicity, also a style of his writing. He also used charming and authentic character in his stories. He portrayed the peculiarities of human relationship and the ironies of Indian daily life he used in his writing. He also used a graceful writing style in his writing skill. He used elegance and simplicity in his writing. Means त्यांच्या रायटिंगची काही गुणवैशिष्ट्ये आपण पाहिली ज्याच्यामध्ये विनोदबुद्धी, एक उपरोधिकपणा, भारतीय भाषेचा काही प्रभाव, एक पात्र जी आहेत ते अत्यंत आकर्षक आणि सहजतेने साकारलेली आहेत. मानवी नात्यांमधला त्यांनी संदर्भ रेखाटलेला आहे. त्यांनी भारतीय जीवनशैलीचाही काही उपरोधिक संकल्पना मांडलेल्या आहेत. त्यांची आकर्षक लेखनशैली हे एक वैशिष्ट्य आहे. त्यांच्या रायटिंगमध्ये साधेपणा आपल्याला जाणवतो अशा पद्धतीचं त्यांचं रायटिंग आहे. आफ्टर द ऑथर्स इंट्रोडक्शन लेट्स सी some elements of the story. Their first element of the story is location, the place of market. Actually, a big scene created of this whole story is in the market. Around 80% part is taken from the marketplace. Let's discuss about the place of market. There is a town hall park, which is one of the remarkable place. Then there is a surging crowd and variety of trades and occupations. Then there are medicine sellers of stolen hardware and junk, magician, and above all, an auctioneer of cheap clothes who created enough din all day to attract the whole town. Then there is next to him in vociferousness vendor of fried groundnuts. There was municipal lights, hissing gas lights, neck flare, old cycle lamps. All these kinds of locations are taken place in this market. Now discuss about the characters of the story. Here is a major character of astrologer is presented. Then another major character in the story is Guru Naik, who met as a stranger to astrologer. Then another one, number 3rd, is astrologer's wife. Number 4, groundnuts vendor, and there were some few other vendors presented in the story, and whole area is crowded. Also, crowd is character of the story. Now see the character of astrologer. Astrologer is a major character of the story. He is a professional astrologer having a dozen of cowrie cells, a square piece of cloth with obscure mystic chart. Also there were a notebook, a bundle of palmilla writing, resplendent forehead with sacred ash, his eyes sparkled with sharp abnormal gleam. He wore a saffron colored turban, which is a symbol of an astrologer. He had working analysis of mankind trouble, marriage, money, and tangles of human ties. He sits under the bough of tamarind tree. He left his village and ancestral homes, and also have a long period practice. He met with a stranger and accepted his challenge to solve his problem. So, as this way, this is the character is discussing the story of astrologer as a male. There is another big incident happen in the story, that is challenging meeting of astrologer and Guru Nanak. Let's see how the meeting is faced by astrologer. We will see here. It was late evening when Guru Nanak met to the astrologer. It was a late night, and look at how meeting happened. He met as an unknown to astrologer. Then he challenged and asked to know about worthwhile, and he flung off an anna in front of astrologer. Then he offered 5 rupees for right answer, and argue and settle on 8 annas at last. Then astrologer accepted his challenge. The stranger asked to know about his present search. The astrologer told his real past incident, and the astrologer introduced his name at last as Guru Nanak. And finally, stranger satisfied with his answer, and he gave him 12 and half anna at last. As this we have seen here, the author's introduction, the title of the lessons, and challenging meeting of Guru Nanak and astrologer, and some characters of the story. And we discuss about the place of the market. It was very realistic scene mentioned in the story by R.K. Narayan. For more details of study, watch part 2. Thank you very much, and if you are watching YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. We will see there. Thank you very much. Bye.